Hello, Barry Anderson here from Trade Ideas with another stock of the day and something a little bit different today. Normally, I don't focus in the stock of the day series that I've been doing on short plays, but man, oh man, I mean, you could not resist this one. So, if you don't know what happened, this FGen. So, I didn't see this actually after hours yesterday. That mauve area is the after hours. This is the pink area here is the pre market. But I don't want to call it fraud, but I guess they were accused and actually confessed to perhaps fudging their data. So, this just got absolutely hammered after hours, and I saw this in the pre-market, and I thought, man, oh man. The other thing to take a look at, just give me a moment here, is that this is, look at the daily chart. I mean, this is not quite a lifetime low, but I mean, look at this gap down on the daily chart. So, when you see something like that, you see the news, never good. If you see fraud or fudge or something like that, it's going to be pretty hard for a stock to rally. So, bottom line is this, is that I actually ended up taking this short in the pre-market. One of the reasons I did that is that if you're not familiar with the uptick rule, it could have been a little bit difficult for me to get the stock once the market opened, and so I ended up taking this just before the market opened, so I wouldn't get nailed with this uptick rule. In a nutshell, if a stock is down over 10%, then normally to short something, you just have to go in at the bid. You'll get a fill, assuming your broker has shorts available, and off you go. When a stock is down 10%, though, there has to be some action at the ask before you can get filled at the bid, and you may be in a big queue of people who want to do the same thing. So consequently, I decided to take this just before the market opened, when it got down below 24. And I'd love to say that I'm still in this one, but I'm not. But anyway, I mean, I got in at just underneath 24, sold some just under right here. And when I say sold, covered here. But what a great short. So anyway, that is the stock of the day. I typically, again, don't look at shorts, but I could not resist. This is sort of the flip of yesterday. We had Romeo as the stock of the day. RMO had huge news, and it moved. This had huge news, unfortunately, on the downside, and look at the move it made. All right, everybody, I want to get back into our trading room. So I'll close this down. And again, any questions for me, you can use this email address. I'll open the room tomorrow at 9 o'clock Eastern Time. I hope to see you then.